Simple solutions to life.
Make it love, simple solution. Make it love, make it love, make it love, simple solution. Make it love,
Simple solution.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Yes, if you are tuning in for the first time, you're seeing me for the first time, you're most welcome. Okay, so my name is Medilock. In case you see me for the first time, all right, are you a first time viewer? Are you just passing by? Have you been watching our videos and yet you're not subscribed yet to our channel? Why now? Just subscribe to our channel. Just click the subscribe button and join this family, okay? Because here we learn simple solution to life, things ranging from physicality, spirituality, business, finance, in fact, anything that gives you that peace of mind, that which you are looking for, okay? So you're welcome. You're not in the wrong place, and it is not by mistake you click on my channel. God led you here, okay? You're welcome. All right, today I want to show us what we can use rose water to do. Rose water and one other ingredient. Yes, because I noticed that some of you, after telling you the whole ingredients, you will not listen to how you will use it again. You just run off. I want you to understand why you should do this and what you stand to gain, the best way to do it so that I can get results. Okay, you will not watch my video to the end. At the end of the day, if it's not working for you, you will come back and be calling me Medilock, this and that, and then when we are discussing, I'll realize that you didn't even watch the video to the end and you're calling me. Yeah, and again, I noticed that some people, you're just seeing me for the first time, you just take my number and start calling me. Before you call me, at least make sure that you have gone through my videos, you have tried them at least for 3 months. If it didn't work for you before you call me, okay? So don't just up and start calling me like that, okay? So guys, see, I want to show you, we have different types of rose water, okay? But this is the one I'll be using in this particular video because this is the one I have around here, okay? So rose water, we have over 500 videos on YouTube channel, but I've never talked about rose water. But to be honest with you, I use rose water a lot. So I want to teach us today how you can maximize this rose water. Yes, this rose water is a very powerful ingredient for attraction, to use in spirituality, but a lot of us, we don't know how to use it. Yes, but today you will learn how to use it and you will thank me later. Yes, so are you a man? You are being disfavored. In your place of work, when they are promoting people, they don't promote you. You are a lady. You are facing disfavor left and right all the time. Are you that woman that even your husband's people, they don't want to see you? They want you dead so that their brother can go and marry another wife? Or you are in your position and some people are pushing you, they want to remove you from that place, either dead or alive, just push you out of that place so that somebody can take your place? Don't worry, okay? Solution has come today. Yes, very simple one. Simple, but very, very effective. Let me do my eye for you. See, if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, I don't dey vex. Yes, subscribe to my channel. Just click on the subscribe button. I'm not saying you should give me thumbs up here. Just click on the subscribe button. If you're subscribed to my channel, it will turn black. It will show you subscribed. I'm not talking about you touching this red one. No, this red one, just tell you that please subscribe to my channel. But the one that is close to my name, look at Medilock here, look at subscribe here. That is the one you should click. Just click on it and you will be a subscriber to this particular channel. And remember, subscription is free. Yes, it's free. Nobody is charging you anything. Okay, and remember to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And which one is notification bell? You will click on that subscribe, you will see bell, you click on the bell, it will bring out the options. Then it will give you 3 bells. One is crossed like this, the other one is just normal bell, and the other one is doing as if it's, as if it's shaking, as if it's vibrating. Just click on that one. Once you click on that one, anytime I upload video, YouTube will just come to your house, catwalk and, bounce, come to your phone, knock on your door, and then drop the notification first on your own phone before it sends to any other person. Yes. So guys, please do that and let's work together, okay? Yes. And I'm your sister. I'm your unwanim. Unwanyi. Agadi nwanyi. Yes, and I'm your aburo, your omaye, first class, direct from Kogi State. So please, no shaking. You don't have any problem. Nothing do you. So guys, see, how do you use this? It's very simple. Yes. See, you are going to be needing the rose water. Come in. Let me remove this one. You are going to be needing 3 items. 3 items. So you're going to be needing coffee. I brought this one so that you will know I'm talking about coffee for those that are resident in Nigeria. Okay, but if you are not resident in Nigeria, you are in any other part of the world, coffee. Okay, it can be raw coffee, it can be processed coffee. Like this one is processed coffee. Okay, but this is not a caffeinated. This is not decaffeinated. This is caffeinated. This has caffeine in it. Okay, but it's not a must for you to use the one that has caffeine. You can use any coffee as long as it's a coffee. 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 They call it coffee. Smells nice. I love coffee because I just like the flavor, And I drink coffee every day, but I drink decaffeinated coffee. But I also drink this one also once in a while. Yes, but I like taking decaffeinated coffee a lot. So now you will also be needing perfume. Okay, this is a perfume. All right, this is a perfume. Okay, this is a perfume. Okay, my friend sent this to me and my name is inscribed on it. Medilock. Simple solution. Medilock. So she sent this to me. She ordered it and then asked the company to engrave my name on it. Okay, so this is, I think this is good girl. Yeah, so I'm a good girl, I'm a good girl. So now, you will be needing, this is, some of you will say, Medilock, I don't have that type of your perfume. I don't have that type. And so it means I will not be able to see. This one is another type of perfume. If I show you all the perfumes, you will never know which one to choose from. This one is also a perfume. Okay, this is a local perfume. Should I say local? But I love the smell of this perfume. They come in different fragrance and in different color. This one is blue. This one is blue sky. This is Color Me. They call it Color Me Purple or whatever they call this company. This is blue sky. I used this on one of my t-shirts, and I dropped the t-shirt after 3 months. I came back to my wardrobe. I brought it out. The t-shirt was scenting so nice because then I just got this newly. I was like, which perfume is scenting like this on this my t-shirt? It's been long. And I realized that it was this because I have to practically carry on my perfume, smell which one Junction. And I discovered it was this one. So I started respecting this perfume. I think it goes for 3,500 or 3,800 or so. It's a small perfume, but small but mighty. I'm not campaigning for this particular company. I don't know them. They don't know me. But I just like the scent because they are doing their good job. If you're sure of yourself and you know what you're doing, give me a product and I will amplify it for you. Free. Yes. I don't need your money. Free. I'll do it for you free. Advertise it for you free. Yes. So use any of the perfume. Then get your container. Okay. Get your container and put, yes. Let me use the glass cup. Let me use this glass cup. This glass cup has been here for a long time. Yeah. Use this glass cup. Okay. Now you will put, take teaspoon, yes, full like this one. I'm going to use this. I've told you guys I'm too serious. See, it's here. Then your rose water. You can get this rose water. I decided to use this particular rose water because if you are resident in Nigeria, it will be very easy for you to get this rose water. It's in bottle, so don't say I should supply you. I cannot supply you this one. Yes, just place, go and look for it. Yes, go and look for it because it's inside bottle, except I have to transfer it into a plastic container before it can be shipped to you. But here inside bottle, I cannot send it anywhere to you. It will break or something like that. Go and get it. Okay? So, this is a spiritual, this thing is spiritual. Yes. So, you will just add, I'm just opening it for the first time. Smells like heaven. Yes. If you know the smell of rose flower, that is exactly how it smells. So nice. Now I'm going to add it here. You add some quantity of it here. Okay, you can see. You see? I'm just showing you exposing some secrets of some people to you. Yes, this is a spiritual secret. Okay, so when you put this together, then you now carry your perfume. So this is your combination. Then you also add your perfume to it. But preferably, before you spray your perfume on it, you will pray over this one. Okay? You put your hand, your right hand over it. Put your right hand like this over it. Then you pray. Say what you want. Say that thing you want, how you want it. Okay? Because you will definitely get it. Pray over it. Then you add it to your bathing water. You add this to your bathing water. Then when you pour it inside the bathing water, then carry your perfume. You are going to put your perfume 3 times like this. Let me put it over my head so that I will not waste the perfume. Okay? Like this. 1, 2, 3. Inside the bucket of water that you want to use to bathe. Yes. Then say exactly that thing that you want. You want to be favored. You want to have unquestionable favor. Unquestionable favor is a situation whereby nobody can even explain why people like you. Why people want to do things with you. Why are you on that seat? Why is it only you? Why must it be only you? But they cannot do anything about it. Even your enemies will be at peace with you. Yes. This is widely used here in the north. Okay? So, try it. Try it. If it doesn't work for you, because I'm too sure of this thing I'm saying, if it doesn't work for you, come and beat me. Come and beat me in my house. Okay? But if it works for you, send me my title. Yes. So guys, thank you. I love you all. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for caring. God will love you. My God will love you more. Will love you all the days of your life. And the love will extend to your children. Yes, I love you and my heart beats for you. Okay? Thank you so much and God bless. See you again in our next video. Bye.